Good morning, class 2. Say good morning, ma'am. How are you all? I hope you all are good. As you all know, your sir is not well, so he is on leave for some days. So now onwards, I am taking your maths class. First, you have to take out your maths notebook, maths book, mathematics in real life. Take out sketch colors, pencil and eraser. Take out very good. Now open your book. In the previous class we have done the activity number 4. Write the numbers shown on abacus. So in today's class we are doing the activity number 5. Write the number name. Take out page number 13, activity number 5. Very good. Now look here. What is number names? What do you mean by number name? Number name means हम numbers को किस में लिखते हैं? Words में. In words. In words. Very good. As we see the example, write the number name. There are 3-digit number. There are 3-digit number 2, 4, 8. Then we'll write on the top ones, tens, 100, which means the number 2 is on the 100 place. Number 2 कौन सी place पे है? 100 place. Number 4 is on the tens place. Number 4 कौन सी place पे है? On tens place. Number 8 is on ones place. Number 8 कौन सी place पे है? Ones place. तो how we write its name? हम इसका नाम कैसे लिखेंगे? 2 is on 100 place, तो we'll write 200. 2 कौन सी place पे है? 100. Then we will write 200. Then 4 is on tens place. 4 is on tens place. Then we will write 40. Then we will write 40. And 8 is on ones place. Then we will write 8. 48. 4, 8, 48. 248. Again 248. Now next example. Next number is 805. 805. Then again हमने क्या लिखा? Ones, tens, 100 on the top of the numbers. This denoted ones, this is tens and this is 100. Then हम इसका number name कैसे लिखेंगे? 8 is on 100 place. Then we will write 800. 8 कौन सी place पे है? 8 is on 100 place. Then we have to write 800. Then there is 0 in tens place. There is a 0 in tens place. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. So we will write nothing. हम कुछ नहीं लिखेंगे. Then 5 on ones place. There is 5 on ones place. Then we have to write 5. The number name is 805. 805. As 8 is on 100 place. There is nothing in tens place. 0 means nothing. So we have to write nothing in it. Then 5 on ones place. So we have to write 5. 805. Now open your book. As first one is done for us, 199. The 9 is ones, another 9 is tens, and 1 is 100. So we have to write it 1 on 100 place. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? 100. Then 9 is on tens place and 9 is on वन place. हम इन दोनों को कंबाइन करके पढ़ते हैं. 99, 199. Now everyone open your notebook. First you have to write down the date. Put today's date, 6th of May 2021. Write down the classwork and write down the day, Thursday. Write down the day, Thursday. Now write down the heading, activity 5. Activity 5. Now write down the question number 1. Write the number name. Write the number name. As first one is done, so we have to do the question number 2. Use sketch colors. Next is write down the question 2, 2, 5. Now take out your pencil. This is 5 is on ones place, 2 is on tens place, and this 2 is on 100 place. So हम कैसे लिखेंगे? 2 is on 100 place, so write 2, write down 200. Then 2 is on tens place, then it is 20, and there is 5 on ones place. Write down 5. Then the number is 225. 225. Now question number C. Use another sketch color. Four, 0, 0. Again, see, ones, tens, 100. 4 is on 100 place, so we have to write 400. Then there is 0 on tens place, which means nothing, and again 0 in ones place, to which means nothing. We have to write nothing. It is the simple 400. Now question number D. The question is 3, 1, 0. Again, put ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. Now 3 is on 100 place, so we have to write 3, T H R E E, 3, 100. Write down the spelling of 100. HUNDRED, 100, 300. Then there is 1 in tens place. The 1 in tens place means 10 and 0 in tens place. So हम tens and ones digit को कैसे पढ़ते हैं? एक साथ. तो हम इसको बोलेंगे 10, 10, 300, 10, 300, 10. Now similarly, you have to fill your book also. The answer of the first one is 225. The answer of the next one is 400. And the answer of the D1 is 310. You have to do it in your book as well as in your notebook. Okay, you have to do it in your book and as well as in your notebook. The question number E and question number F is your homework. You have to do it in your book and as well as in your notebook. Now question number 2. Write the number. Now we have to write it in number. Let's see the example. Let's learn it with the help of example. Activity 5. Question number 2. Write the number. Just for an example, look, 542. 542, which means 5 on 100 place, 40 means 4 on tens place, and 2 on ones place. 542. 5 on 100 place, 4 on tens place, and 2 on ones place. Understood? Let's learn it with the another example. There is 600 written. In writing, there is written 600. So we have to convert it into a number. So how we will convert it? First we have to write HTO, 100 tens ones. There is 6 on 100 place. It is written 600, which means 6 on 100 place. And then there is nothing, which means 0 on tens place and 0 on ones place. Very good. Now take out your notebook. Write down question number 2. Write the numbers. Write the number. As we see, the first one is done. Let's consider it as well. 856, which means 8 on 100 place, 50 on tens place, and 6 on ones place. Now another one. Let's do it in our notebook. Write down the question. 590. 500 90. Now write down the solution. Leave one line. Okay. Which means 590. 500 means 5 on 100 place. 5 on 100 place, like this. 90. 90 means 90. Means 9 on tens place and 0 on ones place. 590. 590. Now write it down in your book as well. 590. Now question number C. Note it down in your notebook. 735. Write down 735. 35. 35. Very good. As you see, 735, which means 7 on 100 place, which means 7 on 100 place, 30 on tens place, which means 3, 5, and 5 on ones place, 735. 735. Let's do the question number D, and you have to write it in your book also with the pencil. 735. Let's do the question number D. 329. 329. Write down the question in your notebook. 329. Write down the solution on the next line. Very good. Which means 3 on 100 place. 300 means 3 on 100 place. 100 place पे क्या लिखेंगे हम? 3. Then 20. 20 means 20 and 9. 29, which means 2 on tens place and 9 on ones place. 329. Now do it in your book. 329. Now question number E and question number F is your homework. You have to do it in your book as well as in your notebook. Your notebook should be neat and clean. You have to use sketch colors and you have to write properly. Okay, children? You have to make your notebook attractive and neat and clean. The work we have done in your notebook should also be done in your book. जो वर्क हम बुक में करेंगे वही वर्क हम नोटबुक में करेंगे. जो वर्क हम नोटबुक में करेंगे सेम वो वर्क आपकी बुक में कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. Okay, children? So what we have learned today? Today we have learned the activity 5. Write the number name and write the number. Hope you all understand the topic. If there is any query, you can contact on my number through WhatsApp. Do your homework neat and clean and send it picture to me through WhatsApp. Use sketch pens and proper pencil. For the measurements, abacus, use scale. Underline the heading with the help of scale. Okay, children, take care of yourself, stay healthy and stay safe.